Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, so on this tutorial, we're going to keep moving on with this image, and I'm taking you from start to finish, basically, of this panorama. And what I want to do now is actually apply a sharpening filter, which has nothing to do. It does not say sharpening on there, so nobody really knows about this. What you want to do is actually duplicate the sky copy, as you can see I'm about to do. And the real important thing here is to make sure that you duplicate the exact layer. And what you want to do now is go into Filter, you drop down to Other, and then you want to hit High Pass. And let me zoom in for you so you can actually see. Well, I'm sorry, I didn't zoom in, so let me do that again. Filter, Other, High Pass. Click OK. And we don't want this to be too much, but 4.0 to 5.0 is good. We'll use 4.9. If we take off the preview, we can see that all it does is give us the exact lines with hardly any detail or color. So you're going to hit OK. And basically, that is using the high pass filter. And now we're going to go more into the blending options in the layers palette. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about that on the next clip. And we're going to talk about how to actually sharpen this image.